Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Roosevelt Elementary School in Keego Harbor, Michigan, home of the Husky Pack, right? They got their pack on the wall, and today I got to visit again for a second time, speaking to grades 3 through 5. And we had two separate assemblies, but really focusing on even, one of their K's here about kindness, their C about community, but as it related to positivity and being our best self, right? That we have to be kind to ourselves first and foremost before we can spread that kindness to others, but also understand that the need is out there for us to do this. And so the actual program took place in the gymnasium, walking that way right now, down their hallway. But the idea too is that we're trying to keep a positive attitude, not just at home or in our neighborhood, in our community, but here in school, and trying to stay as positive as possible, right? That it's so important that we keep that positive attitude with our friends, our family, our parents, our brothers, our sisters, our teachers, our coaches, and also that we stay positive even when things aren't going the best, right? There's going to be times in our life that storms happen, right? That difficult times arise, that we can't understand something the first time that we try it. We can't get that problem until we maybe try again. And so, it's easy to stay so positive when things are going great, but trying to also stay positive when things aren't going the best, right? So the motivation for this assembly is the shirt that I wear, keep your head up, upside down on purpose. So if you look down or feel down, it reads, keep your head up. It's a reminder to always think positive no matter what. And this is in any area of our life that we know the opposite of success, true success, is not failure. It's quitting. It's giving up. That if we make a mistake, we are not a mistake. If we fail, we are not a failure. And so many students came up to me after and said, Mr. Peace, this really touched my heart. That this was really, really inspiring. That I have been through some very tough times. That it's been hard for me to learn, Mr. Peace. It's been hard for me to pay attention, but to know that they're not in it alone, to know that there's someone out there that cares about them, all the adults in the room today, that we said all they care about is that you're doing your best, that excellence is not being the best, it's just doing your best. Being excellent is not about being number one. It's just about doing your best, right? And if you give your best 9 times, maybe 10 times out of 10, you're going to get the results that you want, right? That's going to come. And if we can just trust that we're doing everything we can to be the best that we can, that's really all our principal and our teachers and people at the school, the people in our life really truly want for each of us. Just keep giving the effort, right? Keep thinking positive and keep working hard. You guys are beautiful. Thank you so much for touching my heart. Never forget that you're all miracles too. We talk about that as remembering our worth and our value is so important. The M on all of our hands with the lines on our hand. Trace one of mine here. We have at least one on each hand with the lines on our palm. That M stands for miracle. Upside down W for worthy, that we're beautiful miracles, worthy of love, to give it and receive it. And for the students that don't believe this or have never been told this, we need to be that light to their heart. Go out into this world and shine that. You guys are great. Have a great rest of the school year. Make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out the playlist here on YouTube for some powerful videos. And don't forget to visit my website where you can track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.